Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about temporal bone. So let's start our topic with introduction. Temporal bones are pair of irregular cranial bones located at the sides and base of skull near the ears. They play a crucial role in protecting the brain, housing the organs of hearing and balance, and forming parts of cranial base. The temporal bone is one of the most complex bones in the skull as it contains multiple parts with important anatomical sutures. Location and structures of temporal bone. It is found at the lower lateral sides of skull. Each temporal bone contributes to the cranial fore and side walls of skull. They articulate with the parietal bone, occipital bone, sphenoid bone, and zygomatic bone, as well as with the mandible that form at temporomandibular joint. Parts of temporal bone include four main parts with distinct features and functions. There are squamous part, mastoid part, petrous part, and tympanic part. Now let's talk about these parts one by one. So first is squamous part. It is flat, thin portion that forms the side of the skull. It contains the zygomatic process which extends forward to join the zygomatic bone and form the zygomatic arch. Next part is mastoid part that is located at the posterior and inferior of the ear canal. It contains the mastoid process that is a prony projection that provides attachment for neck muscles. Inside there are mastoid ear cells which communicates with the middle ear and help regulate ear pressure. Next part is petrous part, that is the thickest portion wedged between the sphenoid and occipital bone. It houses the cochlea and semicircular canals that are organ of hearing and balance. It contains important openings such as internal acoustic meatus through which the facial and vestibulocochlear nerve passes. Next part of temporal bone is tympanic part. It surrounds the external opening of the ear. It forms a part of external acoustic meatus, that is ear canal. It provides protection for structure of middle ear. Important features of temporal bone include styloid process, that is a cylinder pointed projection below the ear, serving as an attachment for muscles of tongue and pharynx. Second feature is mastoid process, that is large rounded projection behind the ear, providing attachment for sternocleidomastoid muscle. Third feature is the external auditory meatus, that is opening leading to ear canal. Fourth feature is mandibular fossa, that is depression that articulates with the mandible and form the temporomandibular joint. Functions of temporal bone include protection as it safeguards the brain and delicate structure of ear. Second function is hearing and balance, as it houses the middle and inner ear including cochlea and semicircular canal. Third function is muscle attachment as it provides points for muscle of mastication, neck and tongue. Fourth function is articulation as it forms the temporomandibular joint with the mandible enabling chewing and speaking. Fifth function is facial structure as it contributes to the zygomatic arch and side contour of skull. Conclusion of this lecture video. The temporal bone is pure cranial bone with a high complex structure consisting of squamous part, mastoid part, petrous part and tympanic part. It plays a dual role in protection and functioning, safeguarding the brain, enabling hearing and balance, and forming joints and attachment sites for muscles. Its anatomical importance makes it one of the most significant bones of skull. And this was all about temporal bone. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.